Today on the Justice Court, the plaintiff, Vivian Mbonu, is suing her friend Joy for the sum of 170,000 naira, being the rent and cost of repair for her damaged industrial sewing machine. The defendant, Joy Udo, agrees that the industrial machine was damaged.
All rise. Court in session. Honorable Judge Funmi Asaolu presiding. Please be seated. Your Honor, this case is between Vivian and George. Parties for a vote.
Thank you, Akin.
You're welcome.
Vivian Ubonu.
Yes,
You are suing Joy Udo.
yes, yes. Okay,
And what do you do for a living?
I'm a tailor.
All right. How long have you known her?
For 2 years now.
2 years.
I don't know her before. It was where I was buying, I did buy material for sewing. I come meet Joy for Agboju market. And there I take now.
Okay. So what happened after you met her?
Okay. We don't stay. So Joy be person maybe say, I dey go meet sometime if I don't know something about how to do something. She said she go come meet me. So I can't find out say she live around where I live. We can't take note like that. No be say we be too much, no be say we too much dey close. So one day now Joy come meet me. Say abeg, say she get contract. My borrow her my industrial sewing machine. I come tell Joy say, see this machine. And here be my livelihood though. Forget say I get two. I get manual, I get industrial. But this industrial, I pay pass this manual. Joy come say no wahala. Say she go rush everything wey she dey do.
When was this?
Last year.
What time
Last year September.
Okay.
Early September.
Okay.
Because me sef I lost my dad that time. So I come say instead wey the machine go dey, go dey useful. Joy no spoil my machine no. She say no wahala. The machine go dey safe. I come carry machine give Joy. Come travel go east to bury my papa. I come back. We agree. Say Joy, you go give me small thing for this machine. You be my friend, so I no go say more dey sign paper or anything for machine matter. She say no wahala, she go give me small thing. I come carry machine give Joy. Tell Joy say I go come back by December. Oh. If I come back, that time na we dey get season December. So we dey sew cloth well well. I say this machine na my all and all. Oh. By December, carry am come back for me. Joy say no wahala. I come travel. I travel, Joy, how far? I come back December, Joy, how far? Machine. She give me story. I say no wahala. Stay, you be my friend, you no be another person. For say you be another person, I for don yari for you. We dey December pass. I use my manual machine. Even e get person wey dey go meet for street. Say abeg, ma rush use your machine. Why I get my own? Ma rush use your machine do some kind thing. She go agree me. December pass. January, we don enter January. Shout happy new year. Joy never carry machine come out.
So when did she bring it back to you?
She bring am ending of January.
Ending of January?
Yes.
So what's the dispute all about now?
Okay. Joy carry machine come back. Machine, the paddle no work well. The blade no work well. Paddle, something don break for there. Joy, how far? Wetin happen? He say dem break Agboju market. Na there she dey. Na there I take meet her. Say she carry am. I say, but you tell me say you wan use this thing for house. How come? He say, this one, that one. I say, no wahala. Joy, bring money. Ma go change this thing. I go where they go change yourself. They say, except I won't sell am, buy another one. I come meet Joy, see wetin dem talk o. Bring the money,
How
bring
much were you
by
told?
150. Email.
For everything?
Yes.
Go ahead.
So I can't tell Joy. All this one I don dey call Joy, I don dey tell am because I no believe say machine go fit cause us fight. Or maybe I can't dey go Joy house every day. They say bring money, no bring money. With all this corona waiting matter, me sef I can't stay. Say anytime wey she get money, make she bring. But as I hear this place, so I say make dem come join me and Joy, whether I do am bad thing.
Has she paid out of the money at all?
No.
You've not
Even
agreed.
the one small wey she say she go give me, say if she do contract finish, I no see.
So Joy, what happened?
Just like she explained, I collected the machine. I was supposed to return it by December. Or something came up, I could not return it.
What came up?
She didn't come back on time and there were lots of works. So I was still using it till January when they came to scatter the path of market where my shop is.
So when they scattered it, what happened?
I was able to pick little things, the ones I could.
What do you mean by scattered? They didn't give you access to the shop or they destroyed the shops?
They destroyed the shops.
They destroyed the shops?
Yes.
So I'm not asking about other items. What happened?
To her
You just
machine.
complained, yes, that some parts were damaged. So how did that come about?
I can't really say because even my own machine, some things were scattered.
You were not there the day it occurred, the day they came to...
They came, though they've been giving us notice, but they came suddenly and everything just...
And you were not around?
Yes.
The defendant, a tailor, borrowed industrial sewing machine from a colleague, but the machine got damaged while in her care. The plaintiff, Joy, does not want this matter to cause a quarrel. All she wants is for the defendant to pay for the repair. Judge Funmi intervened in this matter.
Okay. So the value she's giving the damaged items, is that the correct value?
Actually, when she came, she said it was 150. When we went, they said it's 180. And presently, it's not like I'm saying...
Where you went, they said it's 180. You went.
Yes.
But she said where she went is 150. Okay.
So I was
that's
like,
about the value. Okay.
I was like, okay, fine. Whatever it is, I will give you, but now I don't have the money. You understanding my situation, the shop is no longer there. There is no source of earning money presently for me. That she should hold on a little while, but she has been coming and coming and coming.
Do you realize that the fact that she does not have that industrial machine with her, you are making her to lose money? She's not making money right now. And ideally, what I ought to do is to ask her, once she can prove to me what she normally makes on a monthly basis, I ought to add it to the total sum of this 150,000 naira for you to pay her for as long as she's not using the equipment. Do you understand me? From January till whenever you decide to resolve the issue. That's the way it ought to be. So if it's going for 150,000 naira, how do you want to pay?
I don't want it to be a situation whereby she will come back and say, I've not kept to my... I'm not earning presently. I understand her situation too.
You see, you are not being sensitive to her own plight too. You destroyed it, you damaged it, and right now she cannot use it. So you can now not say, you can't just be telling her now that until you are ready to pay. Anytime is convenient, that is convenient for you to pay. That's when she has to wait before she can collect her money back. Or that's when you will now maybe decide to buy the damaged items and give to her. You can't say that. You put yourself, I mean, just imagine if you are the one. Do you understand? So you can't just walk in here and say, anytime I have the money, I'll pay her. Anytime I have the money, I'll buy the item for her. It doesn't work that way.
Must I pay the whole 150?
Sure. Sure. The bottom line is you have two options. Either you buy the items and give to her, then that's replacing it. Or you start giving her the money by installments. That way, once you have an agreement here, and she knows how much is going to come in on monthly basis, she can always raise the money elsewhere and fix it.
Okay, I'll be giving her 20,000 on a monthly basis.
When she just first give me maybe the contract own, where she promised that time. If she give me that one.
You don't want the other one.
No, she go give me.
How much did you agree on that? You never mentioned any price, did you? You didn't mention any amount.
Now big contract then, because I have to take look.
Did you agree on a certain amount? How much? I asked you. How much?
20,000.
You requested for 20,000 naira. It doesn't matter. She's offering to pay 20,000 naira on monthly basis. If it's acceptable to you, we just add that 20,000 naira to the 150. So making 170, and she will pay everything by installments. So is it okay by you for her to be paying 20,000 naira? So right now, we are going to pay her 170,000 naira. Is that right? Okay.
After the break, Judge Funmi rules.
Judgment for the plaintiff for the sum of 170,000 naira. The defendant is to pay the plaintiff 20,000 naira on monthly basis from this month until the total sum of 170,000 naira is fully paid. Judgment for the plaintiff.
All rise.
Have you been cheated or have a dispute and want justice? Don't take laws into your hands. Log on to www.thejusticecourt.com and submit your case.